What's going on YouTube, PubTech today? Today I'll be installing 8GB of RAM on my 2011 iMac. So first of all, you want to lay it face down flat on something soft such as a towel or a cloth. Right now I'm using a piece of velvet on a table. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws at the bottom which will gain access to the memory slots. Take the aluminium plate and set it aside. Next you want to pull the tabs that hold the memory slot, give them a really good nudge which won't break them, and then take out the existing memory cards. Then you want to make sure that you have the right side as the small and the left side as the bigger one. Now that they are empty, take the memory card and insert it. You want to give it quite a good click until it clicks, otherwise your iMac won't boot. Then you want to take the 2 plastic tabs and insert them back in like previously done. Make sure this does or it will not close. Then you want to take back your Phillips screwdriver, put the aluminium plate back, and screw it back in place. Now boot up your computer and make sure that there is the right amount of memory installed. That's it from PubTech. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you later.